Okay, whatever. The mindset, obvious, like the whole team had like really good mindset going into this. We all wanted to win. We all knew we can, and there was never hesitation to be like talked about or even felt. Like everybody was so sure we can do this, and we did it.
Thank you. And for Don, 25 excellent digs in this game against Akari. Akari, knowing din na malakas yung import nila, si Annie, personally, paano mo lang pin-repair yung sarili mo for this match?
Bawat match naman pinag-preparean namin. Inaaral namin na mabuti yung kalaban. Siguro kaya we were there at the right time kasi yung connection namin talaga sa loob, pinanghahawakan namin yun and pinapractice talaga namin yun.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, crucial stretch para sa Signal. Mabibigat yung mga next yung kalaban. So, paano yun lang, gano'n lang ka-motivating tong win na to, and of course, yung mga susunod nyo is mas mabigat.
Itong panalo namin, napakalaking impact para sa amin. Paunin namin to para sa next game namin. Of course, wala pang talo, but naniniwala kami sa team namin na kapag naglaro lang sila ng maayos, kakayanin namin yung game. So, yun lang.
Katrin, late entry to the team, but well, we can see that you're dealing so well so far. So, how's the chemistry with the team, and give us your insights on how are you with the team?
I said it before and I still stand by it. The team is amazing. Everybody is helping me a lot, and I feel like I've been here for 2.5 weeks and I feel like I have strong friendships with my teammates already. I feel very welcome here. I feel like I've been here for much longer than I actually have, and I just wish the season was longer here because I'm really enjoying this, and the chemistry, I believe that it's really good, and I think it seems like it from the outside too. I don't know, I just feel like I've been part of this team for my entire life.
Don, kumusta lang yung leadership mo? Especially, ikaw yung isang mga veterans dito sa team na to.
Kamusta daw yung siguro tinatry lang yung best ko, kung ano yung kaya ko ibigay sa team, and syempre yung team naman din, ginaguide din ako kasi it's always a team effort.
Thank you.
Coach, next game nyo nga will be against Zeus Coffee. As of now, unbeaten pa rin sila. So, paano lang makakatulong tong game na to heading into that match?
Siguro yung, like sinabi ko nga kanina, yung panalo namin, malaking tulong sa amin to. Siguro yun, good thing meron kami ilang days, I think, almost 1 week na preparation. So, importante rin yung recovery ng team. So, kapagod din talaga sila sa training. Pinagod ko talaga sila para manalo kami. And puro mag-all out kami para magandaan yung shoes, and naniniwala kami na kaya namin.
Yes!
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Don. Thank you, Kathleen.